Okay, all right. Stay on with us, Arunima. Let's talk about the kind of anger that we see on the streets of not just Kolkata, but across the country, including the national capital, where Residents Doctor Association also took to Jantar Mantar to stage a protest over this entire episode. Take a look at this ground report.
Doctor associations are protesting across the country, and so as in national capital Delhi. We are at Jantar Mantar at this moment, where right behind me you can see the Resident Doctors Association have come to Jantar Mantar to protest against what happened in Kolkata, and also they want that security for all the doctors across the country. At this moment here at this place, resident doctors from Lady Hardinge College in Delhi, AIIMS and Safdarjung, they all are present here. You can see these young doctors who are demanding justice and also some sort of security for themselves in the future. We have few doctors, we'll speak to them as to what exactly they want. आप लोग यहाँ पे आए हैं, today you've gathered here. What are your demands? What you want?
So currently the main demand is CPA. We want Center Protection Act to be passed. Like we want just in the winter session, the CPA should be presented.
But the Supreme Court has yesterday formed a team. Are you not satisfied after that?
Yeah, to be honest, we are not satisfied because they are all the government officials and the research committee is already formed. Like it's not first time, we have many committees formed earlier also. But these incidents keep on repeating and repeating.
Going across to Arunima once again. Arunima, tell us about, the several versions that have come to light from the doctor community, the junior doctors of R.J. Kar Medical Hospital, when it comes to the first narrative which was spoken of by the then principal, Dr. Sandeep Ghosh, and is being strongly objected to by medical professionals across the country. Why is it that he alleged that this was a suicide and not a rape and murder? Also, was he trying to shield the main accused in this case? Has any link emerged as far as that aspect is concerned?
Not yet. Not that CBI has told us about any link so far. From what we understand, the former principal is being probed more for destruction of evidence, and that charge is still, being probed. Now, what is it that the medical community thinks? What is it that they are saying? They're saying first and foremost, why did you harass students? Anybody who spoke against you was harassed. So their suspicion is that was this 31-year-old doctor, was she also quote unquote silenced because she knew something? That's their first question. Second, they say that why was the suicide theory floated when it was evident? If anyone has seen photographs which unfortunately are floating on social media, it should not have, but it is floating on social media, will tell you that the positioning of the body is very clearly not a case of murder. Third, after you floated the suicide theory, you named the accused. As a doctor, as a principal, it's very clear to you that this is a case of sexual assault because the body was found in a condition, in a semi-nude condition, which did not look like anything but sexual assault. But yet you went around and identified her by her name publicly. Why would you do that when it was evident that this could be a case of sexual assault? So the medical fraternity here is convinced that Sandeep Ghosh was not just being insensitive, he was being deliberately misleading people, misleading investigators, misleading agencies because he had something to hide. What is it that he had to hide? That's a question of probe.
Okay, several questions aimed at Dr. Sandeep Ghosh, the then principal of R.J. Kar. But Mamata Banerjee's government also continues to face severe criticism. Many have come out to say that her actions, in fact, are a direct contradiction of the rhetoric that she continues to speak of. Many thanks for that, Arunima. We'll come back to you in just a bit. Let's talk about protests that continue to take place across the country. Sherin gets us more details in this ground report.
Well, it's been over 13 days since the incident has taken place, and across the country we are seeing that the protests by the resident doctors are continuing. Now, we have seen the kind of order that came from Supreme Court. The order and the observation by the Supreme Court has been in fact welcomed by the resident doctors across the country, but they have in fact been demanding an ordinance that needs to be passed by the Home Ministry and Health Ministry. They need to put pressure on the government to pass an ordinance when it comes to the security and the safeguarding of the doctors, and that is why you can see on ground, even after assurances coming in from the Supreme Court, that the doctors are sitting here on dharna, and remember, the emergency services are functioning, but as far as the OPDs and the elective services are concerned, that has taken a hit over 10 days now. So of course the medical department has taken a hit, but the doctors here have been saying until and unless they don't feel safe, they will not come back to work. कल सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा कि एक नेशनल टास्क फोर्स आपके लिए नियुक्त किया जाएगा, उसमें आप लोगों की सिक्योरिटी के बारे में चर्चा की जाएगी। लेकिन अभी भी आप लोगों का प्रोटेस्ट अभी भी चल रहा है, इसका कारण क्या है?
मैम, हम ये प्रोटेस्ट बेसिकली हमारी जो कलीग के साथ हुआ है उसको जस्टिस दिलाने के लिए स्टार्ट किया था। वी आर विद आर्जिकर मेडिकल कॉलेज फॉर गेटिंग दिस जस्टिस टू आवर कलीग, एंड वी वांट कि कल्प्रिट्स को सज़ा हो। हमारा सेफ्टी ठीक है, विल अंडरस्टैंड कि हाँ थोड़े टाइम में सब कुछ इम्प्लीमेंट हो जाएगा, बट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमारा मेन प्रायोरिटी जस्टिस था।
सीबीआई ने केस ले लिया है, सीबीआई अब इन्वेस्टिगेट कर रही है केस को। क्या आप लोग अभी भी सेटिस्फाइड नहीं है जिस तरीके से इन्वेस्टिगेशन चल रहा है?
देखिए, जिस तरह से इन्वेस्टिगेशन चल रहा है, पहले तो वी वांट ट्रांसपेरेंसी इन द इन्वेस्टिगेशन। अगर सीबीआई इन्वेस्ट कर रही है तो एटलीस्ट जो विक्टिम्स जिनका परपिट्रेटर्स का नाम सामने आ रहा है उनको एटलीस्ट कोर्ट के सामने प्रोड्यूस करना चाहिए था, उनको एज सून एज पॉसिबल पनिशमेंट मिलना चाहिए। ऑल वी वांट इज जस्टिस।
I'd like to show you again that this is the huge rally which the doctors have started, and you can see that a lot of doctors, entire doctor fraternity has come here. We have with us one nurse who is from Arjikar, and she is now scared to stay in Arjikar. Let's talk to her and then I'll definitely answer your question. Now are you scared, and what have you complained?
Yeah, of course we all are scared until the culprits are arrested and they are identified. Until they are identified and their identification are revealed, we are scared.
She's a scared person, scared nurse, and this is the line. You can see that the entire doctors they are standing in a line, and they will start the rally now. It's already started. As far as Sanjay Rai is concerned, what the Kolkata police sources told us that Sanjay Rai is a person who was a pervert person. A lot of pawn stuff was recovered from his mobile and all these things. But right now, CBI is doing investigation, and there also whether he has confessed or not, that still is not clear. But definitely they are trying to question Sanjay Rai in every way so that the truth comes out. Again, would like to show you that this is the doctors who are actually doing the rally, and they are. Why are you doing this rally today? Why are you doing this rally today? They are all standing in a line, and they will march towards all with posters and everything, and they will march towards. आप लोग यहाँ पे आज क्यों हैं?
हम लोग आज प्रोटेस्ट के लिए हैं। क्या
आप डॉक्टर हो?
नहीं, हम बीएससी नर्सिंग स्टूडेंट।
आरजीकर का हो? क्या डर लगता है अभी?
डरने से कुछ नहीं होगा, हमको लड़ना चाहिए।
आप लोग मार्च कर रहे हैं सीजीओ कॉम्प्लेक्स से। वेयर आर यू फ्रॉम? व्हाट्स योर डिमांड?
So I am from Kolkata, Shodhpur. Right now I am from Arjikar. Our demand is justice for her and give punishment for all the criminals. We want justice, and we want to stop people who have power is trying to hide those criminals. We want to stop that. We want to invite them to join us and to give the criminal what they deserve.
When you say that you want justice, Sandeep Ghosh, the former principal of RG Kar, is his detention, his arrest also part of your call for justice?
Yes, of course, because I don't know. I mean, it's been 4-5 days till CBI calls him for interrogation, but I don't see why they can't get any evidence against him till now to get them in detention till now. So I don't think so. He has done several criminal offense after the day occurrence of the day. So I don't see why CBI still now got the power to get him detained and do the investigation. I don't see.
Hey, thank you for watching this on CNBC TV 18. Hope you liked it. For more such interesting news and updates, follow CNBC TV 18 on all the social media platforms.